Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I have part 2 of my huge Chanel 22p unboxing. In today's video we'll be unboxing another handbag that I got from the same collection and also some ready to wear in this gorgeous packaging and some accessories. So if you're interested, keep watching. Also don't forget to check out part 1, I'll make sure I link it above. And don't forget to come follow me on my Instagram. I would love to see you on my Instagram as well. I show you my new purchases, how I style them, I show you my daily outfits on my stories. So come say hello, I'd love to see you there as well. Okay, let's get started. Ooh, by the way, did I mention that I also have a surprise unboxing in today's video? Well, if you've watched my previous video, which should have been my wish list, I mentioned that I really wanted to focus on some jewelry this year, fine jewelry, and I do have some new additions that I'm wearing now, and I picked up some more diamonds from one of my favorite brands that I discovered last year, Idol, and I'm actually wearing two of my newest pieces, so I wanted to show you. As you can see, I'm wearing this beautiful necklace that I'm obsessed with. This is the Grace necklace, and this is the biggest diamond that they have in their range. I have been eyeing the Grace for a while now. It is a beautiful emerald shaped diamond. It can be worn two different ways. I will insert clips so you can see. It can be worn horizontally and vertically, so it can be more modern or more classic depending on your preference. As I mentioned, this is the biggest diamond in the Idol collection, and this one includes 0.5 carat emerald stone. So yeah, isn't it so pretty? It sparkles so much, very eye-catching, and I haven't taken it off. I've been wearing it for a week straight since I got it. I also love stacking it with my other pieces that I have from Idol. I have two other charms and I got two necklaces, so all their jewelry is modular and you can create so many different looks, and that's what truly sets them apart from any other brand. So I will show you how this necklace looks stacked with my other pieces. So you buy the chain and from there you can build your collection and just buy the add-ons and create so many different looks. So you have the same concept for the earrings. I have so many of their earrings and I absolutely love them. They're so unique. I always get asked about them whenever I wear them, and I also wear them so much. You guys know I always wear them in my videos. So I have these new ones, which are the Luna. I only got the add-on, so all you need is the little stud, the little diamond stud, and from there again you can build on. You can create ever-changing looks. Today I'm wearing Liv next to Luna. I will show you a few different looks so you can see how the modular jewelry works. Can you also see that the add-ons are adjustable? There are a few different holes, so you can adjust them depending on your ear and how you like them. This also means that they'll fit everyone and they'll look great on everyone. I love the design of these new hoops. These hoops actually also come without diamonds, but I love the ones with the diamonds. They are so pretty. The design is very unique because it's not your typical hoop. I love the pieces because they're so dainty, and you can also choose between yellow gold, rose gold or white gold. By the way, all the jewelry is also handmade and the diamonds are lab grown, which means that they're very fairly priced without any markups. I will make sure I link everything down below so you can check it out. I'll make sure I link all the pieces I'm wearing today, my favorites. And I also, guys, managed to get you a discount, which I'll leave here. It is exclusive discount code for my audience, and I'm so happy because you can shop all these beautiful pieces and get some money off your orders. I always get asked questions about these pieces every time I wear them. You guys message me, so I'm so happy that I have a discount, exclusive discount for you. So I wanted to share it with you and show you the new pieces, give you some inspo if you want to treat yourself to some new beautiful jewelry pieces. I absolutely love them. They're so unique, so definitely check them out. Who is ready for some Chanel? So here it is. I'll start with the new handbag because I've been teasing you about this bag since my previous unboxing. So I'm very curious to see in the comments if you can guys guess. Another seasonal bag. I bought two seasonal bags, no classics this time. This is my new Chanel denim bag. Let me take it out. Here she is. Oh my god, isn't she stunning? I am so obsessed with this bag, and let me tell you, I have already worn this bag so much. I bought it a few weeks ago and I've been dying to film this video so I can finally share my looks with you on Instagram as well, because I've been wearing it non-stop. Literally, I cannot stop wearing this bag. It is the perfect everyday bag. It is in denim, this beautiful grey denim, and it has this Chanel writing in different fonts. Can you guys tell I'm getting really excited talking about this bag? There is so much I want to tell you. I honestly didn't expect to love this bag as much. It is such a perfect size as well. This bag came in two different sizes, a small and the medium. I got the larger one and I'm so happy I got the large. It is such a perfect everyday bag, very spacious inside. I'll open it up. It is very soft as well, so I always stuff it. I will get an insert from Samorga for this bag definitely, but until it arrives I will stuff it for now, because it's a very soft bag, as you can see. It is one big compartment, single flap, very comfortable to use bag. It has a pocket at the back, and also I love the Chanel detailing here. You can double strap the chain and wear on your shoulder. There is a denim piece here, so it sits very comfortably when you wear it crossbody or on one shoulder. It is so light. It is very light bag. It packs a lot. It fits so much inside. I also wanted to mention something very interesting about this bag. The print is different on every bag, so you won't find two that are exactly the same, but I love my one. I had a look at another bag that looked way too busy. There were too many prints on it, and I also saw another one that only had a few prints, so it looked a bit bare and this was the perfect one. So very happy that I got it again. And let me share the price because I saw the receipt here. So the price was £3,230. Alright, so let's move on with the ready to wear in this beautiful white packaging. So guys, by the end of this video you will understand why I wanted to unbox these items, these specific items together in one video and film a separate one. So let me show you this next one. There is a theme, okay? So this is it the dress? Is it the purple dress? No, it's actually the top. If you've watched my shopping vlog, I'll make sure I link it above in case you've missed it. You might remember that I tried on a very similar dress, and oh my god, if you go to the comment section, all the comments are about this dress. Everyone absolutely loved this dress. So many of you messaged me also and even sent me pictures of the dress that you bought, the exact same dress that you saw in my video, because you loved it so much. And let me tell you guys, I did love it as well, and I ended up buying it. I bought the dress, but later on I changed my mind and I ended up returning it. Well, I exchanged it. So the reason I didn't keep the dress was because I thought I wouldn't get that much wear out of it. I know I'm a jeans person. I do wear dresses in the summer, but we don't get much summer here in the UK. So I don't know, I really loved the dress and it was so hard taking it back to Chanel, but I ended up finding this top and I thought I would get a lot more wear out of the top because I have so many blazers and outwear pieces, and I can wear it in the winter as well. I can wear it with jackets, denim jackets in the summer, spring, summer, winter jackets in the winter. It was a bit more versatile piece to wear, and I really like this top. It is such a beautiful color. You guys know that purple is the color of the year. But yes, I love this top. I'm glad I found this top. It has the most beautiful detailing with these little Chanel crystal buttons. I have similar earrings, drop earrings with like similar crystals and similar CCs, so they all look so nicely paired together. And I love the fabric. It is a bit shiny, not too much, so this will work perfectly as an evening top as well. Oh, I forgot to mention the price of this top. I don't actually have the receipt here next to me, but I believe it was 1,600, which is a lot more cheaper than the dress as well. The dress was over 3k. I think the dress was about £3,400. This is 1,600. So yeah, let's move on. Okay, finally the very last 22p unboxing, and I actually ended up getting this last because it came very late. So this was again on my wish list. I had to wait a little bit for it to come, and I finally got the beautiful denim bucket hat. It is stuffed inside, so this is the beautiful bucket hat to match my new bag. I am so obsessed, guys. It is such a beautiful bucket hat, exactly the same as the bag. I got mine in size small. I do have a small head actually. I'm size 57 in most hats, and I thought a medium would be fine, but let me tell you, the medium was huge, so I actually had to wait for a small one to come in stock. Chanel hats are always so popular and very hard to get. They sell out so fast, but with this collection they actually released so many different designs. Here they are. Look how cute. Oh my god, I can't wait to wear them together. I still haven't worn the hat. I bought it a few days ago, so I cannot wait to wear them together. It will be such a cute look. But yeah, they actually released the lighter denim hat as well, and they also released quite a few other, I think they released the straw hat and also some caps as well. Actually quite a few caps in like different colors, but I already have some Chanel caps, so I wanted to get the matching bucket hat, and I love it. I love all the colors. There is some purple, so now you can see why I wanted to unbox all these three items in a separate video. It just makes sense because they work so well together. I'll put on an outfit with all three items so you can see how they all complement each other because of the purple colors and the grey denim. So yes, I love all three of them. Let me share the price. Oh wow, okay. We have all my Chanel 22p receipts in here, so it will take me a while to find the price for the hat. Okay, hold on guys. Whoop. Aha, of course it was the last one. I had to go through all of these. So the price of the hat was £680. Alright guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed part 2 of my Chanel 22p unboxing. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Did you prefer unboxing number 1 or unboxing number 2? As always, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys!